Honda Super Cup 110 model 2018 has just introduced the equation warning 100 million units of production of these motors globally. Motorcycle duck with unique appearance in Japan is offered at a price of about Rp 30 million. Young Machine quoted 23 the latest generation of the legendary motor. The new Honda Super Cup 110 model 2018 is offered at a price of 275,400 yen. The price if converted into rupiah around Rp 32.7 million. For its own availability in Japan, it is rumored that this new motor is already owned by prospective customers starting on November 10, 2017 yesterday. So how to contest the motorcycle market in Indonesia? Could it be the new Honda Super Cup 110 will also be marketed in the country, considering the previous products come sold globally and Indonesia ever missed the Honda C70 version? If any new Honda Super Cup 110 is officially launched in Indonesia, bandrollen price will probably not be cheap as well as its flagship was special as a premium class motorcycle.